Okay, we're going to move on to our next step, which is really good for getting rid of any of that pent-up aggression you might have if your kids are driving you crazy. This is a great step for that. We're going to throw the felt to start the fulling process. I've squeezed out some of my excess water just so when I throw it, I don't get water everywhere. But all you need to do is literally take your piece of felt and throw it down on your table. You can do this as hard as you want to, and because you're throwing it, you're giving it plenty of room to move around. Again, those wool fibers want to wiggle around and get tangled up. But if you've stopped too soon, this will also make holes in your felt. So that's why we do our pinch test before we go to this stage. And you can keep throwing this until you feel better or until you can feel that the fabric's changing a little bit. It's going to get thicker. It's going to shrink down. And you're going to start noticing that it feels different. So you can see that it's starting to get thicker. It's starting to shrink up. I'm going to keep doing this for a few more minutes before we move on to our next step.